This is a new generation for the screen protector. Magic Protector. Simple and easy for installation. No gear, no Telecom required. No tools requirement. Find the right position and fix it. That's all. We guarantee no bubble on the screen. Simple and easy. Anybody can replace by himself. Magic Protector is new generation for the iPhone screen protector. More color choice, more function will be coming. This is the new generation for the iPhone protector. Magic Protector. Change and replace your screen protector like the magic, just a few seconds. You can change it anywhere, anytime, without any tools. This is a new generation for iPhone screen protector, Magic Protector.